a little earlier. They're just going to be setting up today. This is where the artists will be working on items. There are some trees for display. This is, well, you know this tree already. It's one of Kiyohime. It's still in winter silhouette. We got Shohin by Peter Mackersey. Really nice 6-point display. You got a crab apple. Nice shimpaku on top. A dwarf kumquat and an olive. And then this accent piece here is a pyracantha. Look at that, it's really awesome. Over here we have a Michael Roberts really big cork oak, one of his cork oaks. Really unusual tree here from Lindsay Shiba. It is a elderberry. Usually they make teas out of this. And remember, you can see how craggly this bark is. Really awesome tree. And pushing growth, look at that. Hey, is this really a evergreen? Anybody know? Here's Joe Galgool's olive, kind of like a raft almost. You can see how old this thing is. It looks like it used to be like a giant stump. You can see where that carved into it and see how the boars have been doing it. New growth popping out, really nice. Here's our honored wall. You can see the honored wall right there. And I'll work on, here's Marge Blasting Game, her hackberry. Really old, you can see how nice that silhouette is. Still in winter silhouette. A little thing about Marge. You guys like to pause that? I'm gonna read that pretty quick. She's really involved. Really nice old tree. You can check out the trunk lines and everything. Really nicely well done. There's Jim Barrett, another associate group person in Southern Cal. This is olive. This was probably dug in from Hawaii, or what we call Hawaiian olive. Here's a quick bio about him, if you guys like to pause the video, right there. And lastly, on the honor wall is Ted Matson. And this is really cool. This is actually like a miniature, almost like a Shohin display, but it's like mommy displays probably. What's kind of cool about that, it looks like someone's just stopped working and just walked away. You know, the scroll, tree, a little stone with a little petal still there, and some of the smallest tools in the world. You can actually see this, smallest tools in the world is right there. And of course, this is Ted Matson's bio. If you like to pause the video, I'll kind of read that pretty quick. There you go. Of course, I'll be filming this later today. We got a couple of people working on some trees here. We got Marcus, Peter, Tom Bong, and Kathy Benson, and of course, Tak Shimazu is going to be working on some trees today. And most all these trees will be auctioned later today at 2:30. I'll probably come back down to do just a kind of highlight on those guys. Mitch is working for tomorrow. Mitch is up for tomorrow? Yeah, so he's setting up for tomorrow, so he's going to work on that one. Let me kind of go upstairs really quick. Alrighty, in this area, this is the raffle table for later today, for Saturday and Sunday. We're back in the same room. The ladies are all setting up over there. This is the silent auction that will be going on for Saturday. Sunday will be different trees, but of course there'll be a silent auction for Sunday. Good morning. Out here are the sales area. Here's a sales area for Saturday and Sunday. You got trees. These are collections are being culled and items being sold. You can see other really cool items here for sale. Really old elm. So this is a lot of odds and ends. It's kind of cool. Some really cool olive stumps. Okay, and this is the Huntington sale. So this is probably the Huntington. Some pots and stuff on it. Let's go on the inside. Actually, let's go on the outside really quick here. This is the quad. I'm just kind of rushing through this, but this is the sales area of the quad. You can see. Morning.
Morning.
Barry, of course, he has his pines, cork oaks that he's known for. Check that base on that one. Really nice cork oak.
You saw like your videos. Nice base. I like that. Oh, yeah.
Of course, other trees here. So that's Barry stuff. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Of course, we got Nate with his pots. So if you're looking for very specialized pots and other items, that's really cool actually. That's kind of thing. My wife will like that one. So looking for some specialty items. Nate might have it. We got some really bigger items here. Some really cool pots. Yeah, some other things for sale here. Morning. That's really cool. Looks like crepe apple or something like that. Crab apple, crepe apple. There's Peter's wares. Peter's selling his stuff there. And Gary Lai. Of course, Gary Lai's always the man. Look at these small Kuzumoto. Look at that. It's really cool.
Accent plants.
Accent plants. Yes. And then there's Ed. Ed's in the corner. Ed's in the corner as usual, selling his ware.
How did you free yourself from the...
Let me pause my video really quick. Sorry about that. It's of course Ed, cordial. We are always having great friends. Of course, this is some of his items here. Look at that. These Trident maples. I do have a video coming out when we went up to him during the winter time, so you can see all the stuff too. You know, look at the people spot things already. I like that one. Here's Mel. Mel's in his items here. There's some old pots. Mel has some really old pots. You need some old pots. Those are kind of cool. I have no idea what those are. Little nodules are kind of cool. Some really old pots. You can see some old pots in here. Okay, we have our normal, or I call this normal, more sales area in here. You kind of walk through the middle. Ooh, something just spelled there.
Gravity's winning right now.
We got June and David and Michelle. They're selling their items here. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning, welcome.
So if you're looking for tools, odds and ends, of course, someone's bugging the heck out of me right behind me. We got House of Bonsai here. So if you're looking for other items, they have some. They have camellias, so check those out. Really nice. Really ready to go. I mean, she's stocked with stuff. This is still David and June's table, and Michelle, of course. A lot of pots. They're looking for very specific pots. They might have it. Looking for some tools. Of course, Joth Roth is out here for tools. You need that today. Ron's out here. Check out his block printing, correct? Block printing?
It's etchings.
Etchings, there you go. Etchings. Of course, he has some trees for sale. This is what he's known for, some of these lovely, sorry for the reflection there, but those etchings, really nice. He does have a finished tree here, all nice and, that's actually kind of cool. I actually like that. That's pretty.
Everybody's liking that one.
Awesome. Someone selling some pots. Good morning.
Hi there.
It's really kind of nice hand wheel pots. More pots here. This is the Petra store selling odds and ends still with a lot of chitas here. Of course, can't go beyond the Stone King. You need some accents. This is great. Check out these tricolor stones. Check that out. You got the red jasper, the green, and the really dark green color. Really cool. I guess those are actually kind of cool. I think I had to pick one for the wife. She might like those. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. I kind of like stones because you can't really kill them. It's great. And of course, we got some more potters out here. So you're looking for some pots. This is a great time to come out. Great time to get some selections on Saturday. Check out some of these textures on these pots. Of course, if you have a really great tree selection here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Of course, look at that quince really in bloom. Of course, there he is. So this is the sales area. So if you want to buy something, great time to come down. Get here on Saturday, preferably if you want your choice of items. And that's just the sales area. So I'll probably film a little later. I'll see everybody in a bit. I totally missed these trees here in the water fountain. So you got a nice champaku. We actually have two right here.
Yes, you're right. I'm sorry.
And then you got this quince. Really nice here. Try not to miss these guys. Right as we walk in. Here they go. This is a 10 o'clock sale. It opens at 10. So this is like that sales area for the Huntington. I'll kind of walk around and see the feeding frenzy, how that looks like. And then I'll go downstairs, show you some of that workshop that's going on. Oops.
Don't yell at me. You're not my wife. I'm not. Yes, you are.
You should say thank God.
Slow down. Slow down.
See, they're grabbing stuff right there. So it's like a feeding frenzy. I like it.
Thank you.
They're all buying stuff here.
Let's see if this tree.
See, there's stuff to buy. That's kind of cool. Oops. Some pots there. We don't need some pots. Good morning. Yeah. Don't need, look at these people running around. Look at grabbing stuff. Quick, grab some stuff. Anything. Grab everything. Anything. There you go.
Somebody grabbed it.
There you go. See?
It was gone.
It's kind of fun watching people grab stuff. There it is.